Hey everybody! If you've ever felt like your circulation's sluggish, your workouts are flat, and you're just not bouncing back like you used to, especially after 40, then this video's for you. Because what if I told you there's a simple lozenge that ignites your body's inner pump, helps your blood flow like it used to, and gives you that alive and ready feeling again? Stick around, because I'm diving into Circo 2, and why so many people are calling it a game changer. Imagine this. You pop a lozenge, let it dissolve in your mouth, and immediately you're tapping into one of your body's most powerful chemicals, nitric oxide. This is the molecule that opens up your vessels, drives fresh oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and organs, and that feels like cell phone reception kind of alertness. And the best part? It's not just hype, it's science. This supplement works both by activating the mouth-saliva pathway and by giving your body the building blocks to make more nitric oxide on the fly. So if you're tired of slow recovery, tired of feeling like your best days are behind you, and ready to plug into something that might just unlock that next level, stay tuned. I'll walk you through exactly how Circo 2 works, how to use it for max impact, real-world benefits you'll feel and see, and how this fits into your game plan for circulation, stamina, and winning back your edge. Let's go. Unlock your inner pump and get ready to flow.